Hey everyone, in this short video I would like to show you what is inside Stix 3D stick figures pack. It's really huge, beautiful, and it can be used like in any use case, and definitely for brands, apps, games, or AR, VR, or whatever. Or if you just need to add some dummy, 3D characters, like just to place them and to have like the first look, like in the development. So this is perfect pack. One important thing is that always if you want to know what is new about the sticks, or if there are new poses or characters or whatever, definitely go to 3d.design/stick-figure. So yeah, this would work pretty nicely for you. And then yeah, definitely we will bring probably more characters, more type of the characters, but it really depends on you and what you would like. So definitely if you have any question or you want to learn or want to ask or suggest something, definitely go to our Discord server or write me at samuel@3d.design. Okay, let's now go to what is inside the pack. So you can see that it's pretty like a lot of different clothes. We have males and females, which you can like buy separately, and it's a bit cheaper. And the most important part is that you have modular clothes. What does it mean? It means that you have basically like, different types of hair, different types of pairs, accessories for the male and female, and you can easily change them. Like you can combine like the hair with the clothes, with the pants, with the shoes, accessories, and you have so many different combinations. Like, to be honest, it's around 2 billion combinations, which is pretty huge, right? And yeah, if we go and to see that, for example, the outfits we will go a little bit further. The outfits are pretty cool because you have like pre-made outfits for different clothes, and it works just nicely. Okay, let's jump to do like we have like 3D character like generator. I will show it to you. And also like the cool thing is that we created multiple different 3D characters and packs which you can combine together. You can combine sticks characters, you can combine them with babies, worlds and vehicles, and put them in vehicles, animate them, and so on. So this is how it works. Like here, combination of icons, character, like this is the pose from the characters. You can just copy it, and here are the sticks, so, and you build easy scene. Okay, you don't have to use just the white one, but you can use like blue, black, brown, or whatever. Okay, here are the clothes I was talking about, like the outfits. You can see you have the doctor, a cooker, a chef, a seller, trainer, businessman, policeman, fireman, firewoman, policewoman, even we have the astronaut. Yeah, it's pretty cool. The cool thing is that you have predefined 66 poses with 3D objects, right? You can just go grab them, and they are nicely rendered in a high res. I will show you in a minute. And here are all the previews, so you don't have to wait on the... Okay, yeah, so here is a little show time, so this is how you can easily just combine them and to have some fun. Okay, let's jump to the PNG files, because like PNG files are like we render them. Let's go to the male, for example. Here are like 30 different characters we chose for you, which you can just open, and you will see that here it is. See? This is high res. As you can see here, it's 4000 by 4000. This is huge, and easily just you can grab them and use them in your favorite tool. You see? Yeah. So let's jump to the female, for example, and randomly I will pick 28. Okay, now I opened the female, and now you can see that yeah, it's again in the 4000 by 4000, so you can use anywhere you want to. And we want to be inclusive, and we want to do the characters for everyone, so everyone can be represented. That's why you can find also like different combinations. And yeah, let's jump to the bonus one, because I think this is pretty interesting. The thing is that you can use just the stick figure as it is. Also, like this is prepared, like basic stick figure without any clothes, just like this. So this is inside. Also we have the black one, which can be nice. You can use it for white background or whatever, so there is a contrast. yeah, they can work together like black and white or brown and white and brown and black and whatever combination you want to. So you created it inclusive. Okay, let's jump to the Blender now. This is how it looks inside, is that you have the generator where you can easily, you see how easy it is? This is how easily you can just change even clothes, and you can change because it's modular, so it works together. Yeah, you can change the pants, you see, nice. And yeah, this is how easy it is. You can change the outfits. Here is like the, for example, a worker. Here you go. Here I just need to change the color, and now it works nicely. All of these tips and tricks how to use that in Blender, you just need to go through our easy to follow tutorials. You know, like it looks like you have to learn like all of this, but you don't. You just need to learn a couple of functions which you just repeat them over and over again. So yeah, we did also the tutorial. It's pretty easy to follow. We have many other tutorials which will help you this like the showcase what is inside the Blender if you are interested to go further. And if you just going to download the Blender, don't worry, we have you and you can just follow this tutorial. Okay, that was it. Thank you so much for your time, and yeah, if you want to learn more about stick figures, definitely go to our webpage 3D.design stick figure. If you have any question or you have some suggestion what we should bring, definitely comment below, or maybe just write me at Samuel@3D.design. And if you want to learn more about our 3D libraries, definitely go to 3D.design. That was it. Thank you so much and have a great day. Have a 3D day. Bye.